Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Car Stories. Today, we're diving into the story of a bold, powerful, and unforgettable American machine. This car, 1956 Plymouth Fury. This car wasn't just a vehicle. It was a statement, a sign that Plymouth was ready to take on the big boys in style and performance. The year was 1956. America was booming, families were growing, and the open road called louder than ever. In the midst of that excitement, Plymouth decided to do something different, something daring. They introduced the Fury as a limited edition, high-performance version of their Belvedere line. It wasn't just about getting from point A to point B. It was about how you got there, fast, loud, and proud. The 1956 Fury wasn't mass-produced like other models. In fact, only around 4,485 units were made. That rarity alone gives it a special place in classic car history. But it wasn't just scarce, it was stylish. It came only in one color, a stunning buckskin beige, with gold anodized aluminum trim. You didn't need a second color when the first one looked this good. Under the hood, the Fury was no slouch. It packed a 303 cubic inch V8 engine, pushing out 240 horsepower with a 4-barrel carburetor. For 1956, that was serious power. It gave the Fury a reputation for being quick off the line and surprisingly nimble for a full-size car. If you wanted to make an impression at the stoplight or on the highway, this was your ride. That engine was paired with either a 3-speed manual transmission or the famous PowerFlight 2-speed automatic. Both options gave drivers a solid mix of control and convenience. The Fury was all about delivering a sporty experience, something Plymouth hadn't quite been known for until now. Styling-wise, the Fury stood out. With its sharp tail fins, sleek lines, and that glimmering gold trim, it had a futuristic flair. The front grille was wide and bold, and the rear had those signature tail fins that defined the era. The Fury didn't just follow trends, it helped set them. Inside, the Fury offered luxury touches that reminded you this wasn't just a regular Plymouth. You'd find push-button controls, a stylish dash layout, and premium upholstery with a sporty two-tone design. It was a blend of comfort and speed, perfect for weekend cruises or showing off at the local diner. Plymouth's idea was to attract younger buyers, people who wanted performance and excitement without stepping up to more expensive brands like Chrysler or Dodge. And it worked. The Fury brought a sense of fun and power to a nameplate often seen as more conservative. The name Fury itself was a brilliant marketing move. It suggested speed, power, and a little bit of rebellion. While most cars had gentle, family-friendly names, Fury roared with personality. It caught the attention of car lovers, racers, and even Hollywood producers in years to come. Though the 1956 model was the first, it kicked off what would become a long-running and iconic line. The Fury would evolve over the years, growing larger, more powerful, and even gaining infamy in Stephen King's novel Christine, but that's a story for another time. Back in '56, this car was all about proving Plymouth could be bold. It wasn't just about reliability or price anymore. The Fury showed that you could get performance and style without breaking the bank. And for those lucky enough to own one, it was a true head-turner. Collectors today still search high and low for these original '56 models. Their rarity, combined with their unique place in Plymouth's history, makes them incredibly desirable. Restoring one is no small task, but the reward is owning a piece of automotive art. Driving a '56 Fury is a throwback to a different time, when cars had soul, character, and presence. The roar of the V8, the feel of the road through the steering wheel, and the gleam of chrome under the sun. It's an experience that modern cars just can't replicate. Plymouth may be gone today, but the Fury reminds us of what the brand once stood for: innovation, style, and a willingness to take risks. The 1956 model set the tone for what would become one of the most recognizable names in classic American car culture. This wasn't just a muscle car before muscle cars existed. It was a bridge between family sedans and the high-performance beasts that would roar onto the scene in the '60s. In many ways, the Fury was ahead of its time. Every curve of the body, every rev of the engine, every stitch in the interior, they all tell the story of a company pushing boundaries. The 1956 Fury isn't just a car. It's a chapter in the story of American ambition on four wheels. And that's what makes it such a perfect fit for old car stories. We celebrate more than machines. We celebrate the dreams, the risks, and the craftsmanship behind them. The 1956 Plymouth Fury is all of that, and more. Thanks for joining us on this ride through time. If you enjoyed this story, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Old Car Stories, and share your thoughts or memories in the comments below. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your stories rolling.